Welcome, weirdos. Marlena, Vinson here, and today I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. So, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like before anything. I wouldn't put product in it like a couple days ago. That's why it's all straight looking or whatever. And as you can see, matted and stuff in the middle. So, I'm going to show you we out here looking rough today, but it's okay because we're gonna fix this, and I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can turn y'all thick hair into those ramen noodle curls that everybody seems to be wanting. Trust me, doing your own hair, first of all, cost is not even that bad. Like, you just gotta buy a couple products. Like, it's a little bit of work, and trust me, it is time consuming, especially if you got a lot of hair. Like let me show you up, bro. You don't see that. Oh my god, it's all matted down, but it's all sticking up, and we're not gonna talk about that right now. I'm gonna show y'all what I do to make this turn into, well, curls. I'll meet y'all in the shower. We don't gotta talk about it. Okay, this is what I'm using. This argan oil co-wash by Cream of Nature. So the struggle is real to open it. You feel me? Not open it. It's freaking pop off cap. But yeah, it's hard to get in your hands, really. But just make sure you apply it to the ends of your. Okay. Just make sure you apply it to the ends of your hair first, and then work it in. Make sure you massage your scalp with it. I've already is that a word? I'm making up words. I've already detangled my hair previously, as you can see if you look at the shower wall. That's what I do. But yeah, just massage that in. Okay guys, so this is straight out the shower after putting in the product, breaking it through my hair. I could have stayed in the shower, but me being me, the phone kept dropping, and the other time that the phone had dropped, it was because, well, somebody was calling me for an interview, so I just decided to step out the shower. Plus, it saves water. I don't know how old you guys will be watching this, so, it's always money. Come on now. But, save, and, So this is what my hair looks like with the product in. And yeah, so I would normally be standing in the shower. Standing in the shower with the product in my hair. And the bottle says to leave it in for like 5-10 minutes. Let's be real. You can leave it in longer than that. Ooh. But yeah. So I'll just be chilling on my phone on the toilet like I normally do. And wait. And hop back in the shower, rinse it out, and show you guys what I do afterwards. Okay guys, so this is fresh out the shower. I rinsed out all of the co-wash. So this is what I use. Eco Sterling Gel. What is this? Olive oil. It's almost gone. So I've been winging it because I have not been wanting to go to the beauty supply store because I'm lazy. I still go out. I'm lazy. So first I apply this Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. It was like $5 at Walmart one day, and this was about $5 plus tax at Sally's Beauty Supply. So you just go into any beauty supply store. I don't know if it's cheaper at ones like Lee's Beauty Supply or something like that, but whatever. So first I will just take a scoop of that, rub it in my hands, and I will apply it to the outer parts of my hair first. The oldest parts, obviously. And then start to rub in. Massage your scalp. Come on, people. I'm gonna get all the way to the scalp. All the way to the roots of your hair. And I'm not a hair expert. Just like you're doing, that's what I used to do. But I would click on 10 million videos and procrastinate. They would literally be telling me everything that I needed. How much it would cost, where to get it. And I would just be like, but I don't know how to do it. That was me, people. That's probably you. Good look. Okay. Okay. I don't want to do that. Then normally I would take like 10 million pounds of this, but as you can see, I have already taken my 10 million pounds out. So, once again, apply it to the outer parts first. This is just a quick, if you guys want to see like the longer version one day, then alright. But for now, this is just a quick. Technically you could just get in the shower for a little bit, like while you're washing up, run your hair under the water, and then like comb it still. You don't have to apply anything, but comb it still, at least a little bit, or finger rake it. I hate using combs, I always have. Let's face it, some people have been traumatized by getting yanked out of chairs by a comb. Come on now. Who likes combs? Whoever says, oh, I like combs, I'd rather have a comb. Unless you're taking out braids or something. You don't want to use a brush for that. So, normally you could just put water on your head. But since it's been like a week since I've done any type of anything to this, because I've just been leaving it back in a ponytail for like work and stuff, you could just come right out the shower, the wet hair, kind of just like pull it back a little bit and like squeeze it a little bit, let excess water fall off, and then start from there. But so do that, and you like rake it through your hair, like I was just doing, as I was not giving you instructions. Then you do this shaky thing that everybody tells you to do, because first of all, it's fun, unless your neck hurts and your back hurts, like mine does right now. It's still fun. Okay, shrinkage is real, people. Shrinkage is real. But you don't want to mess with it too much, because then, you know, you keep messing with it, curls fall out. But, and when you're doing this, you want to like lightly, barely pick up some pieces of hair, so like they can get picked up and curled and spiraled and whatever you're looking for. But yeah. So I would normally wait for this to dry a little bit. I currently do not own a hairdryer. I do not know how that will work. I will probably not end up getting a hairdryer anytime soon, because it is kind of what works for me. You know? So you want to try not to touch it as much as I am. Horrible instructions. And, you know, just let it dry. You know, you don't want water dripping down the back of your neck while you're out in Michigan in like, what is it, January? Yeah, no, not gonna work. Some days it'll work. Like today, it would have worked. But other days, like in the morning, if you're doing this in the morning, I do this at night. I take my showers at night, so whatever works for you. It'll just be extra. If you do the shorter version without putting anything in your hair in the shower, then it'll be an extra, 10 minutes in the morning. You could do a quick ruffle. Boom, shabang, bow. Curls. But yeah. So yeah, that's just standing around my bathroom, half naked, talking to people who I don't know. Alright, well, hopefully I'll be back to y'all with another video soon. We'll see how this goes, and bye.